Hey all, welcome to another episode of Odd Rob, and we're coming to you from Thacher Park near Voorheesville in upstate New York. Now listen, I've got a ton of information I want to share with you, so why don't we just get right into it? This park is named after former Albany Mayor John Boyd Thacher, whose widow donated the land in 1914. And since its opening, this park has been designated a New York State Park. The history of the park area dates back 400 years, back to a time when the trail now known as Indian Ladder Trail was used by the Mohawk Iroquois Indians to reach the trading post run by the Dutch. And it was in this park that in 1777, at a place known as Torrey Cave, Jacob Salisbury found refuge from the settlers during the Burgoyne invasion. There are over 12 miles of trails here that offer breathtaking views of the Hudson and Mohawk valleys, as well as spectacular panoramas of the Adirondacks and the Green Mountains of Vermont. So here's one of these really nice trails, and you have the option of either crossing on a little bridge over there and then continuing on, or crossing on a more rugged path and crossing the stream and continuing on this way. However, no matter which way you go, make sure you come and take a look at this beautiful drop-off. 1,300 feet down. There are even two massive waterfalls that the trails will take you to. Now, depending on the season, make sure you check the website for any trails that may be closed or any pertinent information that you may need. Since we are here, and not that you can tell today because it's almost 50 degrees, there was snow here and ice just last night and yesterday, and it's all gone now. Technically, we're kind of winterish since we're here at this time of year. Indian Ladder Trail is officially closed for the season, but will be reopening next year. Now, according to the park's website at parks.ny.gov, the park, it's open year-round from sunrise to sunset. And the Emma Treadwell Nature Center is open Tuesday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, skiing, snowmobiling, and mountain biking are only available on designated trails. You can rent snowshoes by appointment only, so give a call. Picnic shelters are available May through October in advance. Now, sport climbing is available here as long as you have filled out and can provide your climbing waiver permit, which I believe you can get online. Camping is available at this park at Thompson's Lake Campground, which has 140 campsites with options of private wooded sites and open adjacent sites. Now, the sites can accommodate tents or RVs and are close to restroom and shower facilities. There is also a wild play adventure course, which offers 15 zip lines, 60 aerial games, and a 40-foot jump. As for the fee to get in, it costs $6 per carload of people. Can't go wrong with that. Now, if you're in the area, I highly recommend stopping in. There's so much to do here. And not just in the winter, but in the summer as well. I've been coming up here for over 50 years as a child and as an adult. And I promise this is only part one. Part two, we're gonna do and show you the beauty of this place in the spring or the summer. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It helps our channel grow. And while you're there, make sure you drop a comment or some feedback. I always appreciate hearing from you. And listen, until next time, coming to you from the beautiful Thacher State Park on the Helderberg Escarpment near Voorheesville in upstate New York, stay safe, stay well, and by all means,